how to 0.5 zoom on iPhone camera. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the camera app on your iPhone. On iPhone models with multiple lenses, iPhone 11 and later, the 0.5x zoom corresponds to the ultra-wide lens. This is available when you are using the rear camera. Look for the 0.5 button on the camera screen and this will switch the lens to the ultra-wide lens, giving you the 0.5x zoom effect, which provides a broader field of view. If you see 1x instead, just tap on the 0.5 button to zoom out to the ultra-wide lens. On newer iPhones, you can also use the pinch to zoom gesture to manually zoom in or out, pinch out to zoom in, or pinch in to zoom out. For the ultra-wide lens, make sure the zoom level is set to 0.5x. So that is it. On iPhone 11 and later, the 0.5x zoom gives you a wide-angle view, perfect for capturing more in a single shot without distortion. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.